There is a virus that has been eaten deep into the Nigerian choral music society, even before I was born. This virus has stopped Nigerian choirs from being relevant in the world music despite having immense talent at their disposal. Many choirs and or choir leaders know about this virus, but are either consciously not concerned enough about it, only talk and rant about it with their peers, or end up standing alone when they want to do something about it and without help. Now one will ask what this said virus could be. Could it be the fact that choirs are not properly funded? Could it be the fact that choristers enter the choir for the wrong reasons? Could it be the fact that choir leaders don't have proper music education? Could it be the fact that what qualifies someone to be a chorister is that they have passion for singing or they have passion for music? I'm sure you've